Good afternoon, everyone. I have here a cardiac monitor from Paku. So the problem with this one is uh, it's about the NIBP. It does inflate, but it will not slowly go down. The pressure does not go down, and it has an error of airway pressure error. Okay, so again we're going to open this up, and we're going to check what's inside and what is the problem. I'm going to open this one. Okay, this is what's inside the monitor. Okay, here we have the capnograph module, which we have here, the capnograph, and we have the main board. We have here the this is the motor from the BP, and we have here these tubings, and in this area this is both the sensors of the BP. So one thing I noticed is that I already cut out the wires. This is the solenoid valve, and I will replace it with this replacement. This is a 12-volt solenoid. So one thing I noticed here is that this solenoid valve doesn't release here, these two. So I will try to inflate my BP cuff manually. Okay, then I will return it to this socket. Okay, then this is inflated bag. I will try to press this one. So the problem is the air does not release in this area. It should be released because this is turned off. So the culprit is that this one right here has a clogged airway. That's why it has an airway pressure error. So I'm going to replace this two solenoid with this new one. This is the replacement. This is a 12 volts solenoid, and I'm going to turn it back. So I'm going to remove this and replace this with this one, and we'll see. Actually, this is the third time that I replaced this solenoid valve. So it's just a common problem to a monitor. Okay, I already installed the replacement. So as you can see here, I put a electrical tape from the connectors. I soldered this one and then put a electrical tape. Then I will connect it back to its position. Okay. So just to make sure it's properly connected, and this is the supply. So okay, I'm going to test again. How to inflate manually the cuff, and we'll see if it does Okay, started, and here we have the bag. So as you can see here, as I press the bag, air will come out in this area. Okay, so I'm going to return this back and we'll test the BP. And okay, we'll see. Here is the power supply, and this right here is the connections from the ECG, SpO2, oxygen concentration, and the CO. We have there the capnograph. So I'm going to return back the screen, and we'll see. Okay, these are the connections going to the main board. These two connected here and here. So I'm going to connect this one, and we're going to test BP. Okay, I already returned the monitor, and I also have tested myself for the BP. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, I will turn on the BP. Okay, as you can see here, the cup is inflating, and I have here my cuff in my hands, right hand. Okay, as you can see, the sound of the deflation sound. I think I have a higher BP. Let's try it again. And relax. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so it's already done, and I hope it does work well on the OR. Okay, I will return it back. Thank you. God bless.